Hello viewers, today I'm going to be doing a quick video on the PineNote. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the new factory image, and I want to focus on the pen today. So pressure sensitivity has been added, well, to the Zernal application. It works absolutely fine, so you're doing it lightly and then press harder and it goes pretty well. That's pretty good. Now if I go back. Well, I won't actually need to do that in a moment. If I do this, the eraser works too. So if you put the other side down and you just rub that, you're able to just rub it out. Oh, I missed a little bit there. And if I want to get rid of that too, just like that, and then clear the screen, boom, it's all gone. I think that's pretty cool. I also made a banana here. I think that's pretty cool. Just some other things. The waveforms have been removed and the test button have been removed from the Gnome extension. And there is a brand new setting, travel mode. So enabling travel mode makes it so that if you do this, okay. So you're going around blah 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 like that, and it won't wake up unless you use the button. So there we go, and like that. So that'll work. There we go. So it's just if you're moving around a lot, it won't wake up and use all your power. It's really good if it's in a bag. So I'm really happy with these updates. It works really well. I do recommend giving it a go. There's some good updates here. There we go. Hopefully those updates will be making it to the distribution soon. Alright, I think that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I'll be able to post more PineNote stuff soon. See you later.